This is the green list. Number 1, give. Please give your pencil to your neighbor. Number 2 is drive. We're going to need to drive to the park today because it's raining. Number 3 is spill. If you spill your water bottle, then use a towel to wipe it up. Number 4 is gift. I gave a gift to Miss Krickow for her birthday. Number 5 is prize. I pulled your feather, and now you get a prize. Number 6 is mice. The mice were snuggled in a nest in the back of the cabinet. Number 7 is cliff. We hiked up on the cliff to get a view of the ocean. Number 8 is mine. That paper is mine. I can get you one for yourself. Number 9 is alive. The weeds are alive, so I want to pull them out of the ground. Number 10 is twice. I brushed my teeth twice after breakfast.